This is the last week of summer MakerLab STEM Edition. This week, we're going to talk about sound vibrations. Sound isn't only noise, it's energy. Did you know that vibrations are responsible for the sounds that we hear? Sound vibrations can travel through many different mediums. I brought some musical instruments. Let's try to figure out where the vibrations are coming from. Before we begin, let's look at the 3 properties of sound and use these properties to describe each instrument. The first instrument we're going to demonstrate is the bodhrán drum. It is an Irish drum commonly used in folk music. Let's listen to it and then try to describe it with the 3 properties of sound. Let's use the 3 properties of sound to describe this instrument. Was the volume loud or quiet? Was the pitch high or low? And what about the frequency? Was it fast or slow? Let's take a look at where the vibration is coming from. This part is called the drum head. When you strike it, it vibrates across the body of the instrument. Let's add some paper and see what happens. Are you ready? Pretty cool. This next instrument is one of my favorites, the triangle. Let's listen. How would you describe it using the 3 properties of sound? Now, let's see where the vibrations are coming from. Well, not from this. Not from the string. It's coming from the metal body of the triangle itself. The next instrument is the Scottish tin whistle. Give it a listen, and then describe it using the 3 properties of sound. Bonus points if you can name that tune. The final instrument we're going to listen to today, most people call the ukulele, but it's actually pronounced ukulele and is commonly associated with the beautiful island of Hawaii. It's much smaller than a guitar, and it only has 4 strings, but it sounds very lovely. Let's hear what it sounds like, and then try to describe it using the property of sound. More bonus points if you can name that tune. Now let's take a look at what makes this instrument sound so lovely. By using my hand and striking the strings, I'm creating movement, which makes vibration. The vibration flows through the body of the instrument, which is hollow. And because it's hollow, it amplifies the sound. The sound then comes out of this hole, called the sound hole, for a very good reason. You only need 4 items to make the popsicle stick harmonica. A pair of scissors, 2 popsicle sticks, so I hope you're hungry, a straw, and some elastics. One of those elastics needs to be thicker. You can find them wrapped around produce at your grocery store. Well, that's a wrap, folks. So long, but not goodbye. Remember to follow the book links below to make more of your own instruments at home, and don't forget to subscribe for future fall programming. So I'll leave you with this beautiful tune.